Overnight oats, secret to boosting your weight loss abilities, and avoid the morning rush. If you want a quick, delicious, and healthy breakfast, oatmeal is the right thing to try. This nutritious breakfast will help to start your day properly. It provides fiber and many other nutrients that will improve your health. You can find various types of oats which offer different nutrients. Steel oats are known as the least processed type, meaning that they are most difficult to prepare. Rolled oats are not processed as instant oats, but more processed compared to steel cut oats. In other words, the more processed the oats are, the fewer nutrients they contain. This means that rolled oats are a happy medium. Compared to steel oats, rolled oats are easier to prepare and they offer more nutrients than instant oats. Each of the following overnight oats recipes is a real time saver. You should prepare the oats the night before, and eat them in the morning. In this way, you will be able to avoid the morning rush. Why should you eat oats to lose weight? Oats are rich in fiber, a nutrient extremely important for proper digestive health. As the most important meal of the day, the breakfast supplies our body with the energy our body requires to get through the day. Overnight oats boost your energy and supply your body with fiber that will effectively control your appetite. What is more, fiber also has the ability to boost your metabolism. We need to mention that if you want to get the best results, it is very important to follow a proper diet and exercise on a regular basis. Check out these overnight oats recipes. Raspberry, almond, and coconut overnight oats. This recipe is for one serving. Needed ingredients: 1/2 a cup of rolled oats, 1/2 a cup of unsweetened coconut milk, 1/2 a cup of raspberries, frozen ones work well too, 1/8 teaspoon of almond extract, 1/8 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of raw honey, 1 teaspoon of shredded coconut, 1/2 a tablespoon of sliced almonds. Directions: in a pint-sized glass mason jar, add the oats, milk, cinnamon extract, raspberries, and raw honey. Stir the ingredients until they are combined. Make sure to place a lid on the jar. Refrigerate overnight. However, it is recommended to keep it in the fridge for 2 to 3 days. Then, add the coconut and almonds. Don't forget to stir well. Now, you can serve. Nut butter and banana overnight oats. If you are a peanut butter lover, this recipe is ideal for you. Just like the previous recipe, this one does not include baking or cooking. Needed ingredients: 1/2 cup of rolled oats, 1/2 a cup of almond milk, 2 tablespoons of nut butter of choice, 1/2 a ripe banana, 1 tablespoon of unsalted nuts of choice. Directions: pour the milk into a jar and stir the nut butter into it until it is combined. Add the tiny sliced banana and the rolled oats. Stir well until the ingredients are combined. Don't forget to place the lid on the jar. Place it in the refrigerator and let it stand overnight. In the morning, make sure to stir the oats and add the almond milk. The nuts can be sprinkled on top. Enjoy. Blueberry walnuts overnight oats. This recipe is another healthy and delicious breakfast. Needed ingredients: 1/2 cup of rolled oats, 1/2 a cup of coconut milk, or milk of choice, 1/2 cup of frozen blueberries, 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of crushed walnuts. Directions: in a mason jar, mix all the ingredients. Make sure to stir well so the oats will be completely coated in liquid. Place the lid on the jar and refrigerate overnight. In the morning, stir a little coconut milk. This will loosen up the oats.